Hi, my name is Siddharth Banerjee. I'm going to tell you about how you should start thinking to do a food service or a restaurant business. My background is I'm a hotel management graduate, 29 years back. Worked in India and abroad in food service business. I was into teaching and training profession. I'm a international certified hospitality trainer. And last 5 years I'm into hospitality and food and beverage skill trainer business. So I have noticed that anybody, like whoever wanted to do some business, they think that food and beverage service or a restaurant business is very easy, and if we do it, there's a very good profit and there is no chance of failure. But I must tell you, if you go deep into it, you will realize it is not so easy. You must have noticed in your area so many restaurants are opening, and after 4 months or 5 months, maybe 1 year time, you will find out that restaurant is closed. Why so? So that's why you are supposed to know the facts and figures and process and procedure by which you can establish a stable business which will be for the long run. And if you can keep on maintaining that process, system, and your understanding, your way of doing business, that will be the best process to apply. So in this course, I'm going to teach you what exactly step by step you must think to go for this food service business. Number one, I must tell you, you make your mind make up that whatever you want, that may not be the expectation of your customer. That means the people you are going to do the service. So first of all, you have to think from customer point of view. Customer point of view means what actually the customer wants. What is their requirement? Where they want? What type of food they are looking for? How much budget they are having? What type of convenience they are looking for? Where they are looking for? So the best possible way you will find out that what exactly your people are looking for. People means the customer you are thinking about. So at the beginning, to start up, number one, you have to remember, find out what they want, go and get it. Number one, find out what they want and go and get it. At startup, you have to remember these 2 points. Number three, you have to remember when you have thought about it, that find out what they want. Number two, go and get it. Number 3 point, you have to think it from operation point of view. Give it to them. I mean, give it to them. Whatever you thought that I'm going to offer, that you have to give it to them. So you have to start thinking that these are the 3 steps I'm going to follow. So how you're going to follow that? So you have to make a plan at the beginning that I'm going to offer these 3 things, keeping in mind and what are the process and procedure I'm supposed to follow. So at the beginning, what you thought about? You thought about what customer want. That means what sort of food you're going to give, what type of beverage you're going to serve along with that, what type of atmosphere the customer, your guest, the people are going to come to your place to have the food and beverage, what sort of look they are expecting, what sort of service style you are going to offer. That means what exactly the service style they are looking for, what price they are going to pay you, how much money they will spend for your food and beverage and the place where you are offering that, and what speed of service. So, keeping in mind, number one point I told you, go and find out what they want. So that is number one. So in this particular course, I will make you understand why these are the things are most important to follow. So next point, you have to go and get it. Get it, that means the promise you said, where they want, the location, and what sort of designing they are expecting, and what will be the ambience the guests are looking for. That means you have to remember this 3 points. Then you have to think that to offer that, what sort of equipment you are going to keep them, what will be the menu, the recipe, the skill, and what sort of staff you are going to recruit based on your budget. See, the most important part is how much money. Definitely when you are thinking about some business, definitely you have something in your mind that this is my capacity. So when you are thinking about your capacity means how much money you can spend. So if you are looking for a startup business, just to start your food service business option open and keep on working on it, that is one. And a different level of money you will invest, a different level of business expectation you are thinking of. So that financial part, I will explain you step by step what sort of financial involvement is required to make it a profit. So next point, you must be remembering that the last number 3 point where you're supposed to know, give it to them. That means whatever you thought step by step, these are the process you're going to follow. So ultimately when your place is ready, so you have to think from the operation point of view, give it to them. I said give it to them means what will be your execution? What will be your execution plan? So how you're going to execute the operation, that you have to think from operation point of view. You have to maintain some consistency. You have to provide your staff some sort of training to bring the service standard up to some level. What level? What exactly your people, that means whoever is coming there as a customer or a guest, what will be the timing of operation, what sort of service the guest is expecting from you. So keeping in mind what consistency, as I said, you have to remember what sort of speed, training you are going to provide to your staff to offer that efficient service. Now, slowly you have to remember this has come under the hospitality operation. So what sort of hospitality service you're going to offer? The foremost and most important part these days after COVID-19 and Corona is your cleanliness, hygiene point of view. You have to maintain a top class hygiene. I must tell you, this is the last point what I'm talking about. But main part, you have to maintain a world first class standard hygiene everywhere, because once people will start thinking, yes, this is the price, this is the place where they maintain absolutely the world first class standard of hygienic possibility. So if you are thinking that you may work it out in an easy way, I must tell you, you cannot take it easily. So whatever the food service or a restaurant business you are thinking of, you must keep it in mind. You have to maintain the best class hygienic standard, HACCP, that is called HACCP, and all the hazards to offer the best class hygienic food. You have to keep it in mind. I'm going to teach you step by step how you're going to maintain your staff personal hygiene, what will be your maintenance process of kitchen hygiene, and how you're going to offer the best possible way of food packed, or whoever is coming to your place to eat the food and beverage, what you can offer the best way possible in a hygienic way. Thank you.